Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have a brand new subscription that I just subscribed to, and this is going to be my first unboxing with this. It is by SeeNew Skincare. I know the lighting's going to be bad because of the color of the box. One of my subscribers mentioned this subscription box and I was checking into it and I thought, I kind of like it. So thank you so much for mentioning it. So I went ahead and subscribed, and let's talk about this new beauty box by SeeNew. SeeNew Skincare. Made in the USA with love is what it says here. Okay, let me let you know about this subscription box, and I have to look at the laptop because this is a new one for me. Now each beauty box costs $44, and this is where I got a little confused because you can get it bi-monthly or quarterly. So you get one every 2 months for bi-monthly or every 3 months for quarterly. And where I got confused from is most of my subscriptions are yearly, and I'm thinking, okay, you're paying the same amount for a different amount of boxes. So I emailed them and this is what they said. The bi-monthly and quarterly subscriptions simply have a different shipping time frame. Bi-monthly will be every other month and quarterly every 3 months. We simply look to allow for more time if needed to use full-size products. Still was confused. Then it finally hit me in the middle of the night. You pay $44 for each box. You can get it for every 2 months or every 3 months, and you could just cancel it whenever you don't want it anymore. So I hope that makes sense because that's how it's going in my head. So you don't pay for a year up front like some of the ones that I have, like Look Fantastic, you have to pay yearly, and the Detox box, you have to pay either 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. This one is either bi-monthly or quarterly, and it's still $44. I hope that makes sense. Maybe I'm still confused with it too, and I'm still explaining it wrong. I don't know, but we'll see what the products are in here. And the products that you get, it says here, in every volume of SeeNew, experience luxurious green beauty that will leave you with an enhanced perspective of your true beauty. You will see new, you get it, SeeNew, brands from around the world that focus on the power of plant-forward ingredients as well as sustainable sourced formulations, which I kind of like, so more green beauty products. So in each box, you will get 4 to 6 full-size products from a hand-selected clean beauty brand. Each volume of SeeNew will focus on one brand specifically, including $190 plus or more of value in the box. So not bad if you're paying $44 and you're getting $190 or more in this box. And I should say that this one is for September and October, I think. Let me look and make sure. Yes, this is the September-October collection. It does come inside of another box, and in it, I also got this note. I didn't open it yet because I wanted to show you how they close it. Looks like they got some wax and they stamped it closed. Looks so professionally and so 17th century-ish. Let's go ahead and see what it says, huh? We got a nice little handwritten note. Look at that. Okay, this is where I need my glasses. Wow, nice handwriting. Wow, I wish I had handwriting like that. Okay, it says, Dear Heba, we're so excited for you to experience and indulge in this refreshing skincare set from Honua. Honua? H-O-N-U-A. So I think that's the brand that's in this month's box. We believe self-love should be present in all parts of our daily routine, and we certainly hope this brings you love and joy. XOXO, the SeeNew team. Oh, I like that. A little personal touch there. All right, let's open this. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Empowering women one box at a time. The art of self-love. I like the inside of the box here. And we got some cards. Actually, just one card, and it's nicely packed in there. So this card tells you the brand and the products that are in here, and the brand is Honua Skincare. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but let me go ahead and show it to you. Let me let you know about this brand. I'm going to need my glasses and my magnifying glass. The founder of Honua to share her amazing love for Hawaiian culture, botanicals, and aesthetics with the world. Growing up around Hawaiian music, hula, language, and the aloha spirit inspired her to infuse these traits into her brand. She aims to put aloha or love and compassion into everything Honua. I know I'm saying it wrong, but I guess this is the creator of this brand. All right, it looks like we have 4 products in here, and I kind of wish the font was a little bit bigger, but let's go ahead and pull out the first box here, and I love the packaging. It does look very sustainable too, recyclable packaging. The first product is On the Spot Skin Saver. Oh, it's a facial mist. All right, let's see how you open this. Oh, you open this like that. Ooh, okay, there we go. And there is the facial mist. Comes in a glass bottle. This exotic scent blend of Hawaiian sandalwood, vetiver, neruli, and blue tansy. Ooh, I love blue tansy. That is great for acne-prone skin. They work together to calm your mind and bring mental clarity and peace. You can incorporate it in your evening ritual or keep it in your purse for a quick self-love moment throughout the day. Let's see how much you get. 1 full ounce, and it costs $18. Just for kicks, let me smell it. Ooh, you can smell that blue tansy. Ooh, and the sandalwood. Ooh, I like this one. I probably should have mentioned the name. Yeah, I'm just going to show it to you right there. That's the name of this product. And the next product, same glass bottle here, and it's a cleansing cream. And that is the name of this product. Cleansing Hawaiian salt and antioxidant-rich hibiscus combine to create a gentle daily cleanser that will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. All right, that's really nice. And again, 1 ounce. Yes, 1 full ounce, and this one costs $16. So far, I like the 2 products that are in this month. All right, it looks like to be a jar of some sort. And what is this one? It's a hydrating mask for land lovers. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. I like the little packaging here. There we go. I had it upside down. Ooh, okay, and here's the name of this mask. It's the AINA, I'm not going to even try to pronounce it, Invigorating Clay Mask. It is a detoxifying mask that utilizes potent plant-derived ingredients to give any skin type a revitalized glow. Another glass bottle, and I like the cover. It's kind of like wood, bamboo maybe? Yeah, it does smell like clay. And it does smell clean. There it is right there. Kind of thick. All right, and the last product here, same kind of a jar. It's a balm for moonlit glow. Oh, and just notice this now. There's writing on every side of this box, even when you open it. I'm going to have to check that out because I have to tell you that the font is so small. I'm sure it probably just tells you the ingredients and sort, but that's really nice. Oh, and look, when I open it up, it has something in there too. I want to see if the other boxes had that. Oh, it gives you a translation of some of the Hawaiian words. Nice. Does it do in the other one too? Yes, it shows us the same words. Okay, good. We didn't miss anything. All right, now let's get to this product here. Mehi Alani. Yeah, here is this name right there. Mahi Alani, I know I'm saying it wrong, is the perfect addition to your winter skincare collection. Oh, we're starting to get into winter here. Right now here the temperature is the high 80s and it's a beautiful day. So yeah, we're starting to get into fall, at least here in North Texas. Okay, let's see here. Winter skincare collection, but will keep your skin glowing all year. While most of Honua's products soak in almost immediately to work on balancing skin's moisture at a deeper level, this one satisfies the craving for a more dewy veil of surface hydration. This jar and the mask, you get 50 mils of product each, and this balm cost, wow, $82. Let me add these 4 products together and see what we got. Okay, this month's box is $154. Not bad. Thank you again for mentioning this beauty box. I'm excited about this one. I can't wait to try the mask and the balm and this mist with the blue tansy. All right, I'm going to try this mask. It's been a couple days since I opened up the box, but yeah, I want to try this mask and maybe some of the other products too. I did use a cleanser right before I got here on camera, and it's a nice cleanser. It's a cream cleanser. It doesn't foam up and it smells very nice. This little bottle does cost $16, so it is pricey. These cleansers don't stay on my face that long for it to do anything, just to clean. It was nice and the scent is beautiful. Now let's try this mask. It's the Aina mask. I know I'm saying it wrong. I'm here looking on the website, and that word means land, and that's why it's called For the Land Lovers. So this is a detoxifying mask that uses potent plant-derived ingredients to give any skin type a revitalized glow. Let me try to read what's on this box. It says why it works. It has bamboo, charcoal, and clay, which detoxifies and deep cleanse the skin. It has Hawaiian chili pepper, which cleanses and stimulates blood flow for a healthy glow. It has Hawaiian honey, it's antibacterial and antioxidant skin soothing agent. It has taro, which is nourishing and feeds skin phytonutrients, vitamins, and minerals. And it has kamani nut oil. Skin repairing and regenerating, helps with scarring. It does say to use 1 to 2 times weekly after cleansing, which I just cleansed my skin. Massage a dime nickel size amount over the entire face and let it work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes. A slight tingling sensation is typical but will dissipate after a few minutes. Rinse or towel off with cool water. Alright, let's go ahead and try this mask. It does smell like a clay mask. I think that's about a dime size there. Maybe a little bit more. I'm just going to work it in. I'm feeling a little bit of beads in there, some exfoliation. Alright, there we go. And now I'm starting to feel a tingling sensation. I can feel that the pepper working in there. It is now 8:44. Focus. May keep this mask on a little bit longer than 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll be right back and we'll see how this mask looks like before I rinse it off. Alright, it's been a little over 20 minutes. It's now 9:05. It did dry down and I didn't feel that much tingling. Just a little bit of sensation in the beginning, but it kind of, like it said, dissipated. Do feel a little tightness with it because it did dry down. But let me go ahead and rinse this off and we'll see how my skin looks. Alright, just rinsed my face with cool water and it was quite easy for the mud mask to come off. Didn't need to scrub it off or anything like that. And my face does look clean, does have a little bit of a glow to it. And I will say that as I was rinsing it off, it did feel like there was like a balmy texture to my skin. Not a greasy feeling, but a balmy feeling. Not bad, I like this mask. And also there wasn't a scent as I was cleaning it off. Not that it matters, but I thought I might put that out there. Alright, now let me try this expensive mist here. This 1 ounce mist cost $18. That's a little pricey for a mist, and this is not going to last long at all. I'm looking on their website and they do have a 4 ounce bottle and that one is $54. So that's expensive mist. I'll use this one, but I don't know if I'll get it again because, like I said, that's a little bit pricey. Nothing wrong with my Mario Badescu for a 4 ounce bottle. That one's $7. But let's use this one. Oh, it does smell good though. Now let's try the balm. I'm not going to even try to pronounce it. The Moonlit Glow Balm. It does say to use in the evening, hence moonlight. This draws inspiration from the full moon, specifically the 3rd night of our full moon. Oh, that's interesting. Among ancient Hawaiians, this special night was dedicated to sacred rituals. Our ancestors used the moonlit glow of Mahiliani to plant to ensure an abundant harvest. So they created this to nourish your skin and highlight your natural glow. It does say you can use any time of the day, but we love her best at night. It does smell good though. Okay, let me just try to... Yeah, it is a balmy texture. So I'm just taking this much. There you go, just that much. It does smell good. Yeah, and a little does go a long way. Need some inspiration down my neck. In the back of my hands too. Oh, okay. It does say use a pearl-sized amount initially and warm in hands before massaging it gently into the cleansed skin. Oops. Well, alright. I tried all the products that was in this new subscription box for me. The SeeNew subscription with the brand Honua. I know I'm saying it wrong. I'm not going to even try anymore. But I tried all the products. And so far, I like them all. The cleanser and the mist are a little bit pricey. But I do like the mask. And this balm will last, I don't know, maybe a couple years. But the products are good overall. And I can't wait to see what the next brand will be in the next subscription. I got it every 2 months. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.